Hi y'all. Today is Thursday, January 9th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. It's dark outside today, so I'm testing out my new light, which reminds me that I didn't get the anti-glare glasses. The other ones are way worse, so it is what it is. I've put a little piece of paper over it to kind of lighten it, because otherwise it is bright AF. Alright, so I've done some student homework this morning. I saw a reason for a trade, but I was on a call, so I had to politely say it's time to get off of this call. I got things I gotta do. We gotta wrap it up. So I saw there was some beautiful movement already this morning. It's only 9:12. I'm going to be putting in some, I'm listening to Brain FM and some heavy focus music. Let's see. Let's check this out, y'all. Check it out. So I am going to go check out the market, and we're going to see how this goes. Okay, I like this one. Yeah, I saw definitely a reason for a long right back in here. I'm way too late to be able to get into that right now. So let's quickly find wherever the hell my daily chart is. Just have to remember where everything is. Dang, look at that reversal bar, just pushing this up still. Now, we still have some weakness in the MACDs here. It's going to be tough to go much higher than this. Maybe up here a little bit, but we're going to see a lot of tendencies for these MACDs to pull back because they want to get back towards the zero line to give us some more space to run, right? So right now it's trying to push to the upside. Well, like I said, maybe seeing something a little like this to push up a little bit more and roll down, but I'm just going to have to watch it. It hasn't really exceeded the high by much, so I'm not going to move that bar around, or that, you know what, I will put a new one here, because it's been about 10 points or so. Right? Nope, not the right line. Horizontal line, that's the one I want. Right up in here. We're just going to pull this down to about right there, where it reaches these little pivot points. It's pulled away, it's pulling back in. I'm wondering if we're seeing something very similar to what happened yesterday. Right in here. Pulled away, pulled back in, rolled back above. Right now, the MACDs are still below the zero line, which tells me unless they show some really great opportunity to pop up, let me tell you how bad I want to take a short. Back here, right in here, I know we have some divergence here on the 233, but it doesn't have a ton of weight. It is at the area right here with the zero line. We're pulling down to that bottom Bollinger Band, so it's a little tough for me to take it right into those areas. I like to have open space with something like this. And this, to me, doesn't have a whole lot of open space. I know I have it marked at my last high. We can move it all the way up here so we can see where the real high is. But we still have this as an area that could hold up the party, which is only about a point away. I'm laughing because I'm like fighting myself. I saw the long here, I saw the long here, I saw some longs, some shorts, definitely back in here. I've just got a lot going on between the ear holes. Alright, I'm about to use the 233 area. Be right back behind here, right into this space. I may have just gotten impatient, but we're about to see. I really expect it to break through here. go. Now, we held on for the ride, right? I'm glad it didn't go work out like I was going to. I went to the restroom, came back, and was like, ooh, I missed out on a short. Tell you what I'm gonna do. I got a dog who has some digestive issues. Sounds like she needs to go outside. I'm gonna set that there. If it pulls back, it pulls back. I'm gonna pull this up just a little bit. I actually think I'm gonna exit this. I'm taking an exit. I think it's gonna go down, but I don't want to be irresponsible. I'll be back. Oh my God, so glad I made that choice. She needed to go out. This is definitely another space to continue with it as it pulls back a little bit right here. The 233 giving a little bit of a pullback. I'm good for right now. It took a while to get my brain wrapped around that. If y'all ask later, it pulled back 1, 2, 3 ticks against me when I entered into this trade. That's why I use a 5-tick risk, honestly. So I want to be a couple of ticks above the area where I entered, or below, you know, if I'm going to the downside. Let me go ahead and turn this off. Oh man, I really wanted to let that go. Okay, I just need to let it go in my head because I'm going to be frustrated with it. I think that this is going to continue up. If we look at the history of what's happened, we hit an area, we pull back down a little bit lower, and it just keeps, it's the Energizer bunny. It's the Energizer market. Just keeps ticking. So I am going to go get my workout in. I'm just kind of getting my feet wet again. I'm trying to be very, very selective in the trades that I take. If I'm taking, I'm seeing a bunch of opportunities, but being selective in the trade keeps me out of just jumping into anything because it's been a while since I traded, and I need to rebuild that stamina. I need to get that ball rolling again. I'm like, okay, I see this. I can take it. I'm comfortable. I can see this. I can take it. So right now, I'm just like, okay, let's wait for the bigger opportunity moves and then take that. And the short was definitely the bigger opportunity. It had a lot more space to run to the next area. Which actually opened it up to the long right now being the bigger opportunity back to the upside. Okay. I'm gonna go exercise. Hope you guys have a great day. If I don't get back with you, I may trade tomorrow. I've got a lot going on, but anyway it goes. Guys, if I don't come back, you know, as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.